Howdy everyone, this is Graham Finding with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, I'm here at the beautiful Northfork at Lexington Ranch. It's a Northfork at Lexington Ranch, and we're gonna go into their 2-bedroom model. So I did want to show off the hallways. These are air conditioned. They're very nice. It's very clean. It's super quiet. I mean, I can't hear anything. So love that. And now we're gonna walk into the beautiful 2-bedroom. Let's take a look at it. I think you're gonna absolutely love it. Wow. Super pretty. So you've got 2 bedrooms. Like I said, you've got this beautiful kitchen. We'll go into detail in a second, but you've got 1 bedroom over there, 1 bedroom over there, so nicely separated. You do have a bathroom over here that's easy to use for guests. So this is a well-designed apartment, I can tell already. This is the kitchen. The kitchen is very beautiful. I love not only all of the cabinet space that's here, but then I really love the beautiful wine fridge that's here. I mean, just some extra details like that. I love the kind of this backsplash. It's really nice. Lots of detail there. You've got all new appliances. These are nice appliances, and you got this beautiful island. The island's just gorgeous. You can see it fits pretty easily 3 chairs. It's all surrounded by this very nice luxe vinyl floor. And then it easily flows into this area that's over here. So really nice space. It's beautiful, frankly. And so you've got all this here. Well, then you do, on the first floor, you're also going to have a patio. Now, these are big. Look at how big this is. Like, this would be perfect for a pet, for if kids want to be out here, you want to be out here. But this is a very huge space. It's really nice to see this on the first floor. So first floor, you get this. Very cool. So anyway, that's what it looks like in here, in the 2-bedroom. Now we're going to go into the bedrooms themselves. We'll do that on the next video. If you have any questions anytime about anything you're seeing, or you want to do a tour at any time, send me a text. Just use the number below.